Hey guys, Carlos Sala here. Today I'm gonna talk about the stealth mode. How to sell without selling and why you should do this. So let's go. Okay, basically, have you ever wondered why we don't watch that much TV anymore? It's because of the overwhelming amount of ads. If you put your TV on and you see so much ads that you don't want to see them anymore. That's why Netflix and other streaming platforms got so much attention because you don't have to see all the ads anymore. So let's say that you're walking on the street and someone out of nowhere, you see them with something in their hand, some of those weird puzzles they sell on the streets, and you see them approaching you. You're like, okay, they're gonna sell me something. So we have this kind of radar where we detect when we know that people are going to sell us something. So immediately we build a wall. We're like, no, like every word that you talk to me, I know that it's kind of fake, that you only want something out of me. So we want to avoid people putting that sales radar on. And how do you do this? Basically, what you need to do first is to give some value, to solve some problem to someone. So you can't expect to go out of nowhere and say like, hey, buy me this and have a good result, right? Because we have tried that in the past and it doesn't work anymore. That's why people don't watch TV anymore. That's why the ads from the newspaper don't work that well anymore, because we are getting smarter and smarter and people are realizing they are just selling me something. They don't actually care about me. So the trick here, guys, is to give some value, to help them with some problem, and then indirectly tell them, by the way, I have this product. So let's say someone is struggling losing weight. So you can tell them, hey man, you can do this intermittent fasting where you don't eat for 16 hours, then you eat for 8 hours, and it's really good to burn fat, to do this. So you solve the problem for him, and then you tell them, by the way, I have this cool tips, this program, this thing you can buy to get more. And it doesn't have to be even related to it. It can be in an email. So you give some value, and then at the end you tell them, by the way, this. Because doing direct email, doing direct assault selling is not bad when you're in a selling position, when you're in a selling place. What do I mean by this? If you are going to a market, you are expected to be sold. You go there because you specifically want to buy, right? So when you go to a market, you expect people to tell you, hey, buy this and buy this and buy this, and you put yourself in that position. So let's say in a sales page, you can sell them directly. You can tell them this and buy without any value. Obviously, you want to keep value, but you don't have to solve the problem. You don't have to warm them up. You don't have to build that, right? So people are gonna keep reading. That's the thing. When the sales radar goes on, you're screwed. People are gonna go over. They don't need to be there. They can go away and watch the other thousands of comments or value on, or they can go to other people that are actually giving value and they're not just selling. So if you are doing email teasers, you can use this cool technique. So give some value, solve their problems for free, and then say, by the way, I have this other thing. So you get people's attention, you get their curiosity, you solve any problem of them, and then you tell them, by the way, I have this, I have still spots available for my webinar, I have 10 spots available for my new program, this and this. Obviously, you can overdo this. As anything in life, you can overdo it and it's not gonna work that well anymore. So here are some other phrases you can use. It could be, oh, before I go, this. So you can start talking, let's say this like a dog niche, and you can start talking like, yes, this is the best food for your dog because of this and this and this, and you solve them some problems. Is your dog having allergies? You can give them this kind of food and this, and give some cool, nice tips. And then, oh, at the end, oh, before I forget, I have 10 more spots available in my new dog training program. Also, you can say, oh, one more thing, this and this. Or you can even mix it up and say, by the way, I still have 10 spots available. Did you know that this and this? Did you know that most people don't train their dogs and then they suffer in public? So you can mix all these things up. And I truly think that we're going to go there, to this indirect selling mindset, because people have realized, we have realized, that we don't want to be sold all the time. Maybe I'm just trying to relax, I'm just trying to have fun, to watch some memes in my phone, and out of nowhere they bother me. So it's just like a relationship. You're not gonna meet someone and immediately start asking for stuff, asking for money or things out of them. You first need to build some rapport. So if you want to do it in the stealth mode, in this indirect mode, you can do it like that. Just give some value, solve some problems, and then, by the way, I still have this, and it works really good. Remember, simplicity is key. You don't need a lot of words. It can be short, concise, and to the point, and then the call to action. So this was it for today, guys. If you like it, comment down below. Oh, by the way, I still have spots available in my new course. Just kidding. So I'll see you later, guys, and have a nice day.